Welcome back to Jack's Attack. When treating your lawn for weeds, insects, or just fertilizing, you first need to know how many square feet you are covering. Most products will have the coverage area on the front of the bag or bottle, and by knowing your lawn size, this will help you determine how much product you should buy. If you don't know your lawn size, there are several ways to get your square footage. You can use online tools such as your county GIS website or a mapping program. They're very simple to use. You just put in your address, and you can get your lot size in square footage or acres. Another way you can easily measure it is to walk off your yard. Count your steps by placing one foot in front of the other. You can also count your strides while walking your lawn. One stride is approximately 3 feet. Multiply the length times the width to get your total square footage. Subtract your house, foundation, driveway, gardens, and anything else in your lawn from the total. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. This is Jack's Attack on DIY Lawn Care. Check back for more videos and be the envy of the neighborhood.